Hello and welcome to another episode of Products in Detail. This is a series where we take an in-depth look of our favourite products and processes. Today we're going to be highlighting our ultimate wash and wax shampoo. We're going to show you how this benefits the car by adding gloss, boosting protection during the maintenance wash. So before we use our ultimate wash and wax to wash the car, we're going to pre-wash it using our ultimate snow foam to loosen up that dirt and grime. So this is a high mix ratio product, so we're going to go up to 500 with water, then we're going to go up to 600 with the snow foam. So what the snow foam's doing while it's sitting on the paint is loosening up that dirt and grime. So this means when you jet wash it off, you've removed that and it stops you from rubbing it in using your wash mitt. As you can see, we jet wash the car down just using the regular attachment on the jet wash. Now we're going to apply the snow foam. How I like to do it is to apply it from the bottom to the top. This means as it runs down the car, it's interacting with more product and cleaning more efficiently. So while we're leaving this to dwell for a few minutes, we're going to talk about why this is good for your paint on a regular maintenance. Now this snow foam is actually wax safe. So if you have a car that's regularly waxed or you regularly maintain it or it's had recent protection on it, this won't diminish that. You would say to leave this for a few minutes, but if you want a clear view on when it's right to take off, when you start seeing breaks in the snow foam like here, and you start seeing more of the paintwork, that means it's ready to come off. Get your jet wash, rinse it from the top down, then it's ready for the wash. So we've pre-washed the car using our ultimate snow foam. It's now ready to be washed using our ultimate wash and wax. Now this is a pH neutral shampoo that contains carnauba properties and synthetic polymers that are going to boost gloss, add protection, all during your regular maintenance wash. So you can see we've got two buckets here. Now we're going to be using the 2-bucket method during this wash. Now if you've never heard of the 2-bucket method, we're going to explain that as we wash the car. So to mix the product, all we need is 4 capsules. If you've never heard or never used the 2-bucket method before, we're just going to show you on this panel how it works and why we use it. So this bucket is full of our shampoo and water solution. This bucket contains just water and the grit guard. Now a grit guard sits nice and tight in the bottom of the bucket, and we'll show you why this is important as we wash it. So I'm going to reach in and get my soapy water with our microfiber wash mitt. Wash the panel down. And then before I go to our soapy water, I'm going to go into our clear water and clean out the mitt. So I'm going to rub it on the grit guard. This is going to remove any loose contaminants that could rub on the paint and cause scratches and swirls. I'm going to wring out the wash mitt, then go back into my soapy solution. This means that every time I go onto the car and the paintwork, it's clean water, it's not contaminated. Nice and easy. So we've washed the car down, we've rinsed off that soapy water. Now it's time to use our Supreme drying towel. Now this is super absorbent, nice and soft on the paint. It's going to reduce your drying time dramatically. that's it for another episode of Products in Detail. Today we've highlighted our ultimate wash and wax shampoo, and we've highlighted the fact that it contains the mixture of carnauba and synthetic polymers to boost glass, add protection, all the way through your regular maintenance wash. Now for more Meguiars content, make sure you like, share and subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified on when the next Meguiars video is out. Also, if you want to see your favourite Meguiars product in detail, drop a comment below and we'll do our best to make sure we cover it.